Hi everyone, it's me Teresa. Today I did like a green and black eyeshadow inspired by this bathing suit top that I just bought. And if you guys are interested in this look, keep watching and see exactly how I created this look. Okay, let's get right into it. First, I beat this face, honey. I put foundation all over. I don't really worry about under my eyes or my eyelids because that's what concealer's for, and I don't want to put too much product under my eye because your girl gets creasing. Next, I do my eyebrows. Today I couldn't find my actual eyebrow pencil, so I used this one that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm not too sure how I feel about it yet. It's kind of thick, but I mean it did the job, so I can't complain too much. Next, I grab my concealer and I just pop that in areas that I need it most. For this one, I don't put it under my eyes yet because I do that towards the end, but yeah, so I blend this all out and try to get as smooth as I can because your eyeshadow is gonna go on top and you don't want it to be all clumpy. So yeah, it takes a second, but it's very important to do, so don't forget to do it, ladies. After applying, I do try and run my finger over the product to kind of pat it in, and it looks smoother when I do that, so it's a habit. All the colors that I'm going to be using today for eyeshadow will be from this one palette from Morphe. I think it's like B15 or something like that. Literally, it has every color you're going to need. I love it. The first color I pick up is like this tan one. I just run that all over my eyelid, kind of pat it down as a base. Does not have to be perfect. Next, I grab the white eyeshadow with the flat brush and kind of highlight under my eyebrow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. And then after that, I kind of just run the excess all over the eyelid like so. I go right into it with this green, and right above my crease almost, I fluff this eyeshadow and blend that baby in. It just creates that like kind of ombre effect, and it looks really cute when you put a dark eyeshadow on your eyelid and it just flares out. It's kind of like a smoky eye, but cuter. Fun fact, all the brushes that I'm using are from Morphe. I think I paid like $26 for them all. The only brush that's not from Morphe is the concealer brush that I used. So I mean, less than $50, and I got this eyeshadow palette and all the brushes. It's heck of a deal, and it looks amazing. Next, I put a blue right in the crease of my eye, and it kind of helps the green pop out more. Right after I apply the blue, I add this like darker green from the palette, and I put that on top, and I think it just gives it a good contrast. I do go in again with the same darker green because less is more. It's way harder to put a lot of product in your eye and try to blend it out versus going little by little. So that's a little tip that helps me out. After that, I pick up another green shade and a fluffy brush and kind of blend those three colors in very well. Once I like it, I spray a flat brush, pick up the black eyeshadow from the same palette, and put that all across my eyelid. Do not be afraid to pack the black on the eyelid. For this look, you will be blending out the black into the green shade, so don't even worry about it. Here I am blending the crap out of this black and making it look even, going over the lightest green and just kind of making it look its best. Because you know, after blending, you kind of lose the colors that you had just put on. So I kind of go back and just fill that in. Don't worry about fallout or going lower than your lash line because Mama cleans that up, put some concealer on that, and you're ready to go. And you have this fierce looking line that helps you put your eyeliner on, so no worries. This is the concealer brush I was talking about. It's the only one that I didn't get from Morphe. It's just basic. It's a small concealer brush. I use it because look at this. Look at that sharp line that I created. After blend it out with the beauty blender and get your eyeliner. This for me has been working since day one. It's like $4 and look at my eyeliner. Do I need to say more? After, grab a green shade, a flat head brush, and run those colors on the bottom lash line, like so. Pop on some eyelashes, and work, honey. Yes, look at your girl modeling over here, all confident. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Love you all. Mwah!